This is Vasyl from the Beta and CPAs, and today I would like to talk with you about often overlooked credit on tax returns for businesses, and that's R&D credit or research and development credit. So we will talk through the main requirements and how you can potentially qualify for that. R&D credit is the largest credit that the tax law provides under Section 41 of the tax code. And a lot of businesses miss that because they don't think they meet the requirements to claim R&D credit. The evaluation becomes technical and requires tax expertise to see if this specific fact pattern fits in the criteria for claiming the R&D credit. So what are the main criteria? There are 4 main criteria. So number 1 is purpose. And when we talk about the purpose in R&D credit, it can be improving procedure, product or service, could be technique, could be formula, could be software, could be invention. So when you improve one of the following in your business, that's meeting the purpose of the R&D credit. And the main purpose of R&D credit established in 1981 was to help you as businesses stay competitive, and by staying competitive, keep the US competitive in the global world market. So the first criteria, purpose. The second criterion is scientific nature. And in this section, these experimentation projects should connect to the areas of science, engineering, math, technology, we can say generally scientific based innovations. And a lot of people get scared when they see scientific based innovations because they think, oh, if it's a professional service business, it must not qualify. It must be for engineering businesses or for some math like quantum computing businesses. So it pertains to innovations in different business, including professional services businesses, as long as it follows the scientific approach. So that's actually the last 4th criteria. I'll write it here. So the 4th criteria is like scientific method. And what scientific method means that there is a hypothesis that you are testing. So for example, you're testing a certain like a new model, you're testing consumer preferences, and you want to see if XYZ outreach would yield the desired results and would help you eliminate the uncertainty of the outcome. And when we talk about eliminating uncertainty of the outcome, it's the third component that I skipped. It's elimination. Yeah, so I actually write it here so that you can see it in the camera. So here's point number 3: elimination of uncertainty in the method, capability, or technique. So it's elimination of uncertainty in your current method, or your current expanding your current capabilities, or changing your techniques that have drastic results on your business. And no, it may not have that drastic of results, but it has impacts on your business because you're experimenting and are trying something new. So these are the 4 main criteria, and a lot of businesses can qualify, but the tax professional must assess the criteria and see if your business would truly qualify for R&D credit under Section 41. And there are certain industries that wouldn't qualify right off of the bat because it was determined through IRS and judicial precedent that those industries may appear on the surface that they would qualify, but they actually wouldn't. And that's generally such industries as construction or catering businesses or medical businesses. They may appear on the surface that they would qualify, but they usually don't. Or businesses in the content and say generating marketing content, those would generally not qualify for R&D credits. But other than that, there is a very broad scope of businesses that would qualify. And again, it's $20 billion. That's the largest tax credit there is. And the program was instituted in 1981. For a while, but a lot of businesses don't claim it because they are scared. They think, oh, it must be something extraordinary, or it pertains only for the biggest businesses. But you can qualify for that too, and it can get you 6 to 8% on average of the cost for this experiment. You just got to document it properly to substantiate it, then you can go ahead and claim it. Hope you found this clip useful about thinking about innovation activities of your business. This is Vasyl from the BDN CPAs, and remember, everything is negotiable, even taxes.